Welcome to Irregular Plurals Part 3. In this lesson, we will explore 3 special nouns that do not follow the normal rules for making plurals. These words are fish, sheep, and deer. Unlike most English nouns, these 3 words keep exactly the same form in both singular and plural. Let's learn how to use them correctly. These 3 nouns have no change in plural form. Fish stays fish. 1 fish, 2 fish, 10 fish. Sheep stays sheep. 1 sheep, many sheep. Deer stays deer. 1 deer, several deer. This is very different from regular nouns like cat and cats or dog and dogs. These 3 words do not add the letter S to make them plural. Let's see these words in real sentences. First example, I see 1 fish in the water. I see 10 fish in the water. The word fish is exactly the same in both sentences. Second example, the sheep is in the field. The sheep are in the field. Again, sheep does not change. Third example, a deer walked across the road. 2 deer walked across the road. Deer remains the same whether we have 1 or many. Now let's compare regular nouns with these irregular ones. Regular nouns follow the pattern. Cat becomes cats, dog becomes dogs. We add the letter S to make the plural. But these 3 special nouns work differently. Fish becomes fish, not fishes. Sheep becomes sheep, not sheeps. Deer becomes deer, not deers. The plural form is exactly the same as the singular form. This is an exception to the normal English rule. Here are the important things to remember. First, the singular and plural forms are identical. The word stays exactly the same. Second, context matters. You must use the number or the verb form to show whether you mean 1 or many. For example, the verb changes. The fish is versus the fish are. Third, always use the correct form. 1 fish, 2 fish, many fish, all written the same way. Fourth, avoid making a common mistake. Never add the letter S to these words. Fishes, sheeps, and deers are all incorrect. Do not use these forms. Now it's time to practice. Here are 4 sentences with blanks. Question 1, I caught 3 underlined fish underline in the lake. Question 2, the underlined sheep underline need water and food. Question 3, a underlined deer underline ran through the forest quickly. Question 4, many underlined fish underlines swim together in groups. Pause the video and try to fill in the blanks with the correct words. Let's check the answers. Answer 1, I caught 3 fish in the lake. Answer 2, the sheep need water and food. Answer 3, a deer ran through the forest quickly. Answer 4, many fish swim together in groups. Did you get all of them correct? These words do not change, so the answers are always fish, sheep, and deer. Let's summarize what you have learned. First, fish, sheep, and deer have identical singular and plural forms. Second, never add the letter S to these 3 nouns. Third, use numbers and context to show if you mean 1 or many. For example, 1 fish and 5 fish are both correct and spelled the same way. Finally, keep learning. There are more irregular plurals to explore in future lessons. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.